Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about SE ranking. In case you didn't know, SE ranking is an online SEO platform where you can do all of your SEO analysis. As you can see, they have report builder, backlink checker, keyword research, everything that you need to know. So specifically today I'm going to talk about how to add your website to SE ranking. Because if you don't add your website, you won't be able to access all of these tools right here. So you have to add your website first. And to add your website, all you have to do is create your first project. When you first log into SE ranking as a new user, this is what you're going to see. So you just click on create your first project. And once you click on create your first project, you're going to be taken to this page over here. And then the first thing you're going to do is add your website to this platform. I'm just going to add the URL of a post that I made on medium.com. Just going to add that here. And here you're going to select whether you want SE ranking to analyze the domain, the domain itself, or the specific URL. And since I'm using a post, I'm just going to click on specific URL. But if you're using your website, you should use domain. Okay, so after that, I'm going to change the project name. As you can see, it automatically gives the name to the project, to the name of the website that you added. So I'm just going to go back and let's try medium post. Okay. So if you have a range of websites that you're analyzing, if you have like a lot of websites, you can add them to specific groups. You can create a group here, or if you have a group already created, you can just add it to it. Okay, the next thing here is the search range. The system will look for the site in the top 100 or top 200 search positions respectively, which means in the first 10 pages or first 20 pages. Here it says access to the project. Since I'm the only one, I'm just going to use only me. And then there's weekly report and the website audit. So I'm going to click on next. Okay, the next thing to do is to add keywords. You can either add your keywords manually or import keywords from a CSV file or document or anything, or you can just click on suggest keywords and the system will automatically give you keywords that your competitors rank for. Okay. The next thing to do is add a search engine. They have so many search engines here. There's Google Mobile, there's Yandex Mobile, Yahoo, Bing, and YouTube. Okay, and then you can add a country, the country you want your website to be analyzed on. And then apart from the country, you can specifically add a location. It could be maybe a state or a town. You can even add a zip code if you want. Okay. Then Google interface, you add the language, and the next thing, you can also include Google Maps results if you want. But if you do that, you have to add your business name and company phone. And the next thing you do is click on next. Okay, here it tells you to add competitors. If you know who your competitors are, if you know who you're going up against in the search engine results pages, you can just add them manually or ask the system to suggest competitors for you. And the competitors suggested are based on the keywords that you added. It suggests people that are ranking high for those keywords. Okay, and then you click on next. And right here, it tells you to connect to Google Analytics and Google Search Console. Connecting them will enable you to access your Google data directly without having to switch back and forth between Google and SE ranking. If you don't want to do this now, you can always do it later. And then when you're done, you just click on finish and your project is created. You're only saying this because I haven't added any keywords. And once you create your project, you won't be able to see any data because the system has to collect all the information that it's supposed to show here. So that's when you start to see all the things that you're going to need for your project, all the things that you're going to need to monitor your project. Okay, guys, that's my video for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've learned something. If you found the video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll really, if you have anything to tell me, you can drop a comment.